Okay, this is lesson number 8. I might have confused you with the last one because the last one was 7, but I said it was 6. But that's showbiz. Okay, we're still doing the intervals, but instead of doing the melodic intervals one at a time, we're playing two notes at the same time. So here we have C and D at the same time, and C and E at the same time. And it's the same notes we used on the other page, it's just we're playing the same time. Like this G and F and G and E. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to say the notes, play it through it saying the notes, then play through it saying the intervals, and then just play through it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and C, D, C, E, C, D, C, E, G, F, G, E, G, F, G, E, second, third, second, third, second, third, second, third. The song Rockin' Intervals, the first two measures are melodic intervals, and the next two measures are harmonic intervals. Because this is one note at a time, these are two notes at a time. As you look at the two lines, we have F, E, E, D, D, and then the line right below it, it's the same thing, just down a step. E, D, D, C, C. With the first line, we have second, third, third, second, second. And then down below, we have just the opposite. Third, second, second, third, third. So this time I'm going to go through it. I'll say what the intervals are here, and then I'll do the repeat without saying anything. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second, third, third, second, second. Third, second, second, third, third. Repeat. On the next page, we're doing this using the same notes, same intervals. As we look here, we have C, D, C, E. Then we go to the bass clef, and we do the same notes, C, D, C, E, same notes, same intervals, but you see it's different fingers because of the right hand, C, D is 1 and 2. With the left hand, the C, D are 5 and 4. Then we do the same thing with the G, G, F, G, E, those second and thirds. First with the right hand, and then with the left hand, same notes, same intervals, different fingers. And I'm going to do the same thing we did before. I'm going to say the notes the first time, say the intervals the second time, and then just play it. 1, 2, 3, and C, D, C, E, C, D, C, E, G, F, G, E, G, F, G, E, second, third, second, third, second, third, second, third. So the hardest part about this is to not do the same fingers for these two measures, but different fingers. Now if you're struggling with this, for some people it's easier if we go straight down to harmonica rock because it's the same intervals, C, D, C, E, but you get to do them for two measures. And then switch to the bass clef, same notes for two measures. So it's the same type, same fingers that we're using up here. We just get to play more. So this time I'm just going to say the intervals, and the second time I'll just play it. Keep in mind with this first line, you're playing intervals going up from C all the way through. And the second line, you're doing intervals down from G, G down to F, and G down to E. So G is constant all the way through. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second, third, second, second, third, second, third, second, second, third, second, third, second, second, third, second, third, second, second, third. Back to the beginning.